I'm gonna take you through a quick tour of the new Blackout Miami shop. This is in Hollywood, Florida, right by the Hard Rock Casino, if you know where that's at. We're super excited. We've been doing the build out here for a couple of days. By March 1st, we will be open. So if you want to book something, now's the time. Get in before we get too busy. I'll flip the camera here and show you what the shop looks like. All right, so here we are in the work bay. We're in the process of painting and modifying everything. We're gonna have our green stripe up here like we do in the other shop. We can work on about 5 cars here at once. This area will be our tint bay. There's my Hellcat and Justin. Covering up these ocean waves. Starting to look a little bit more like Blackout. No cars in here yet, but stay tuned for next week because there's going to be something cool.
Thanks, Josh. Miami's looking awesome already and can't wait for more updates. Behind me in the PPF bay, we have a Ford Bronco that's here for a full PPF wrap. If you remember it from last week, it's the same customer that got the blue Tesla wrapped in a purple PPF. We have a Dodge Ram in here for a full paint protection on the front end, rockers, and flares, as well as a wear and tear kit. And then after that, we are doing a Fusion ceramic coating on it. We have another Ram that is in for a cat skin. We are taking the cloth stock seats and changing it to a nicer leather cat skin finish. Looks a lot better than the cloth, cleans up nicer, and feels better. 2022 Honda Civic. This thing is brand new from the dealership. I believe it has like 20 miles on it. We are doing a Ceramic Pro Gold package on it. Caleb is finishing up the final touches now, and we are going to be laying 9H in about 25 minutes. Part of the Ceramic Pro Gold package is we take the wheels off and we coat the barrels and the faces as well. And if your calipers are painted, we coat those too just to keep them protected and easy to clean and very hydrophobic. In the tint bay, we have the new Mitsubishi Eclipse SUV. Terrell just got done tinting the front windows with XPEL XR. All right, guys, and outside we have this beautiful Harley-Davidson Road Glide. It's here for a lot of things. We're doing a Ceramic Pro Gold package on it. Right after Aaron gets done putting PPF pretty much wherever he can get PPF at. The customer wants everything protected, so Aaron's gonna get in there, do his thing, and then we're gonna follow up with a Ceramic Pro Gold package. This Toyota 4Runner is here for a remote start on those cold mornings where you don't have to go outside. You can look out the window, start it up, get it warm before you're getting ready for your workday. Same here with this Acura, is another remote start. It's that time of the year, so we're gonna have a lot of these in our lot. We have this Mercedes S560 in for a full vinyl wrap. We actually got it in on a Monday and the vinyl came in. The customer looked at it and the red was kind of looking orange to him after we took it outside. So we're in the process of picking the right shade of red, and then we're gonna get back to tearing this apart, throwing some vinyl on it, and having it back out the door, making it look like a gloss red. Let's take it over to Luke and see what's going over at Gibsonia today.
What's up, guys? This is Luke from Blackout, Tinting, Gibsonia. Here to show you what's going on in the shop. Over here we have a new Kia Stinger. Start from our friend Scott. He was involved in an accident and the front bumper was replaced. So we're gonna buff that off and reapply ceramic coating. On the back window, we did not tint this vehicle, but he scratched his tint with the box he was shipping. So the back window we're gonna take off and reapply XPEL Prime CS 20% window tint. Back here we have a C7 Corvette. This was on last week's What's in the Shop Wednesday. He was so happy with the ceramic coating we did, he decided to come in, check it out, and decided to take off all the PPF that a previous shop had put on. The film was on the full hood, the front bumper, the 2 side fenders, these side vent pieces here, the mirrors, along with these piano black A-color pieces. So we're gonna take off the old PPF and reapply it in XPEL Ultimate Plus. Also, the windows were tinted at another shop, has a lot of contamination in it, and overall the customer just was not happy. So we're gonna take off that film and reapply it in the 20% Prime XR film. Behind me here is a Lexus Is250. You can see the condition of the paint protection film. This was applied well over 10 years ago. I think back in '06 it was applied. And the film isn't meant to last that long, so it's just in pretty rough condition. So we're gonna take off the film on the hood, the 2 side fenders, the front bumper, and the mirror caps, and reapply fresh PPF. Also, the side windows and the back window were tinted at a previous shop. I'm assuming back in '06 as well. And again, being its older tint, it's not in the best condition. We're gonna take off all the film and reapply it in XPEL XR, probably XR Plus window tint. That's all for what's going on here at the North Pittsburgh shop. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Thanks, Luke. Now we're down at the emergency service shop, and we're going to hand it over to Chuck to let you know what he's doing to this Ford F-150.
All right, everybody. Our recent upfit we just started on this police responder F-150. This is a special built F-150, essentially built for police, fire, and command units. It has no center console in it right now. We are actually putting in a Havas console that's in the middle of the build. But as you see, it does come with some comforts for the officer or the person driving it. We just had the bed Linexed to give some protection for the stuff that's going in the back. Of course, this will see severe duty since this is going to a local fire department. We are also going to upfit it with his high band repeater system. It will have a Go Rhino push bar, Phoenix lighting all the way around. Also, it will have a customer supplied vault in the bed for all his extra materials.
Thanks, Chucky, and thanks everyone for watching. That's it for all the shops here at Blackout. We'll see you next week.